In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into WhatsApp Web with your phone number. This feature offers a convenient way to access your messages on your computer without needing to scan a QR code. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure you get connected smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to web.whatsapp.com. At this stage, it might look like the usual screen where you scan a QR code to log in, but this time we're going to do things a little differently. When you land on the WhatsApp web page, you'll notice an option that says login with phone number. Go ahead and click on that. This option is a fantastic alternative for those times when scanning a QR code might not be possible or convenient for you. Now you'll be prompted to enter your WhatsApp phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code from the drop down menu next to the phone number field. This is important because WhatsApp needs this information to send the code to just the right place. After entering your phone number and selecting your country code, you'll want to click on the Next button. At this point, WhatsApp Web will generate a unique code for you. This code is pivotal because it's how we'll verify your identity and establish a connection between your phone and the computer. With that code on hand, it's time to switch over to your mobile device. Open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen for three little dots, which is your menu button. Tap on those dots and a drop down menu will appear before you. From this menu, you'll want to tap on linked devices. Here you'll see an option to link a new device. Tap on link a device, and next thing you'll do is select link with phone number instead. This part is crucial because it bypasses the need for a QR code. Now, you'll enter the code you received from WhatsApp Web on your mobile device. The code acts as a verification step to securely link your account to the web version. After you've entered the code correctly and it's verified, you'll be linked up and ready to go. And there you have it, your WhatsApp account is now live on your computer via WhatsApp Web. This setup not only allows you to manage your messages seamlessly across devices, but also keeps you connected in a more flexible way. Hopefully you'll find this method as handy as I do for those times when you need to stay connected without relying on QR codes. Enjoy your newfound flexibility and stay tuned for more helpful guides.